How to change Instagram chat theme. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever wanted to spice up your Instagram chat, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram chat theme. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing first, open the Instagram app on your device, but make sure that you are logged in and have the latest version of the app for this feature to work. Now, tap on the DM icon on the top right corner to access your direct message. Once you are in the DM section, now select any conversation where you want to change the theme. And this can be a friend, a group, or anyone you have been chatting with. Once you are in the chat, tap on the name at the top of your screen to open the chat setting. Once you are in the settings menu, you will see the option called theme. Simply tap on it to explore all the theme options. Instagram offers a variety of fun themes to choose from: gradient color, seasonal design, and even themes inspired from pop culture. As soon as you select a theme, it will be applied instantly. Your chat background and messages bubbles will update to match the new design. And that's how you can change Instagram chat theme. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.